So now you have Debut. Let's see how to work it. Go ahead and double-click the icon on your desktop labeled Debut Video Capture. Now let's check out the interface. You'll see along the bottom you have a record, a pause, and a stop. Record will, of course, start recording. Pause can stop, and you can resume that same recording without creating a separate file. And stop will create separate files. At the top of the window, you see Device, Screen, and Snapshot. These are the tools that you can use to record various images in the Debut screen. Device will allow you to record from a webcam that you may or may not have attached to your system. If you would like a webcam for your classroom, you would like to capture yourself doing a lecture or yourself doing a demonstration to a class, please contact Media Services. The second one you see is the screen capture. Screen capture will capture your entire desktop, including anything that you click on, anything that you open. That will be seen. You will capture it. Snapshot allows you to take a picture of anything that you have working on your desktop, and it will turn it into a JPEG image that you can use in PowerPoint or any other Windows-based software. Below Snapshot, you'll see a dotted box and a box with some arrows in it. This dotted box allows you to select a certain portion of your desktop that you would like to record, and only that area that you've selected. If you decide you want to select an area for recording, you cannot do it while you are recording. Select the area and then press record. Anything you would like to be seen, you must drag to this area of the desktop. When you're done with just a selected area, you can select the box with the arrows. This will go back to and capture the entire desktop. When you're done creating your file, you can go down to stop the recording, and then you can go to the folder that you've selected to save your video to. So let's do that now. Let's select an area to save our video. To do that, we need to go to Options, Output. In the Destinations folder area, you can select the default destination for your videos. Debut selects My Documents and creates a Debut folder on the working desktop. If you would not like to save it to the working desktop, if you're in a classroom, then you can go to and browse for another location. If you would like to save it to your office computer, you can go to Network Places, the entire network, Microsoft Windows Network, and ITTD. This is a listing of all the computers on the ITTD network. Browse this list for your computer. Find a folder that you have shared and select it to save your files in. You'll notice that the destination folder is changed to your desktop and your shared folder. Now, in order to be able to save these to a format that will be easily uploadable to the internet, let's configure the file compression. You want to select WMV in output format. Go to Encoder Options and select Windows Media Video 9. You'll notice that the default is 4096. 512 will be sufficient for broadband. For your sound compression, select Windows Media Audio 9.2. Then press OK. This has now changed your video encoder options to compress your video to a smaller format that will make it easier to work with in Windows Movie Maker. Let's go back to the Record tab. At the very bottom, you'll see Minimize Debut Window before starting screen capture. This is a good tool to use if you are trying to capture your entire desktop and you would not like to show the debut window as we see it now. You can select this, and the next time that you make a video capture of your desktop, before the recording starts, debut window will minimize. You will have to maximize it to stop the recording. This concludes this lesson. If you need further assistance in using Debut video capture, please contact Dallas and Media Services. My office number is 888-1519. Good luck.